In this video, I'll show you how to check old history in Google Chrome step by step so you can quickly find websites you visited before, even if it was days, weeks, or longer ago. This is super helpful if you forgot a page name, need to reopen a useful website, or want to look back at something you viewed earlier. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome opens, you'll be on your normal browser window and ready to check your browsing history. Next, go to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This is the main Chrome menu where you can access a lot of browser features. From the drop-down menu, click History. After that, click History again, or select the option that opens the full history page. This will take you to a page where Chrome displays the websites you visited. Now that you're on the history page, look at the top where you'll see a search history box. This is one of the fastest ways to find old browsing activity. Click inside the search box and type in a website name, a keyword, or even part of a page title. For example, you could type YouTube, Facebook, Amazon, or any phrase you remember from the page. Chrome will instantly filter the results and show you matching entries from your old history. If you don't remember the exact name, don't worry. Try different keywords that relate to the page. You can search by brand name, topic, or a specific word from the website title. This makes it much easier to find something in your old browsing history without manually going through every single visit. If you still don't see what you're looking for, scroll down the history page. Chrome organizes browsing history by date, so you'll usually see sections like today, yesterday, and older dates below that. Keep scrolling to go further back in time and check older visited websites. This is especially useful if you want to recover something from earlier browsing sessions. When you find the website you want, simply click on that history entry. Chrome will reopen the previously visited page for you. If the page no longer loads exactly the same, the website may have changed, but in many cases, you can still get back to the page you need quickly and easily. And that's it. Now you know how to check old history in Google Chrome, search through it, scroll through older dates, and reopen any website from your browsing history. If this guide helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.